What is up, guys? Today I'm going to share with you what I've done to the WRX so far. Most recently, I got the Subi Speed OLM sequential headlights, which make it look a lot better. The stock headlights on the WRX are garbage. I got the carbon fiber grille, color matched, as you can see. Got the STI front lip, got a little bit of bug on it right there. Makes it look a lot more aggressive, I think. Last week, I got the Remark catback exhaust. Fills out the tips. The hole is a lot better. Sounds good, not too loud. Looks a lot better than the stock one. I had the Subi Speed taillights on here, but I actually ordered the wrong ones, so I'm sending those back. I had the STI shift knob show up and I installed it. I did not like it, to be honest with you. The top is metal, and so it was like really hot in the summertime. And so I imagine it'd be really cold in the winter. And of course I have the STI seats that you saw in the video. A little bit of got a sweatshirt, chamois back here, but it's coming together. I like it. It's a good looking car. I'm almost done. You know, I think in the spring I'll get the side spoiler and the rear spats. I'm not gonna mess with them before winter. This car's gonna see a lot of snow this winter, so I will turn on the headlights real quick so you can see the DRLs. Pretty easy hookup. That's what it looks like during the day. I wanted the STI headlights, but they cost too damn much. So anyways, I got something in the mail today. Let me know how you're liking the WRX, and I'll go show you what came in the mail today. There it is. Finally, the exhaust for the 86, a month later. Let's get into it. Got the Remark axle bag. Woo, them tips are huge. Look at the tips on my boy. She big.